Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Elegant World. Today I'm going to show you how to download and use free music from your YouTube's audio library with no copyright issues. My friends, if you are a YouTube creator looking for free music or an audio file that you don't get copyright strikes, then you are in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access, how to download, and how to properly use a music file in your YouTube's audio library. So friends, please stick around until the end of this video because I'm going to show you and also share tips on how to avoid copyright claims even if you are using copyright-free audio files. In this video, we are going to see how to access YouTube audio library, how to search music or an audio file from your YouTube audio library, how to download your music, and how to add music to your video editing software, and how to avoid copyright issues to your video. In the first step, we are going to see how to access YouTube audio library. To do so, friends, please first go to your browser, either it is Google Chrome, Edge browser, Opera, or any other browser that you do have in your device. Let's get started. First, go to YouTube, www.youtube.com. Sign into YouTube, your YouTube, and go to YouTube Studio. To go to YouTube Studio, please go directly to your profile, just at the top right corner of your browser, and go to YouTube Studio. Go to YouTube Studio. Here on the left side of your browser, scroll down and click on Audio Library. You do have Audio Library here. Here you will find thousands of free music tracks and sound effects that you can use. You can just use for your videos in YouTube. In the second step, I'm going to show you how to search music or an audio file from your audio library in the YouTube. In the audio library in your YouTube, the library allows you to filter music by many more options. You can filter your audio files by their genre, by the mood, by the artist, or by duration. Let's see. Just click the bar just below the music button. You can search it manually. You can search by track. You can filter by genre. You can filter by mood, by artist name, by duration, or you can filter your audio files just by their attribution, whether the attribution is required or not. Let's see, for example, let's search just using the search bar. Okay. Yeah, this is audio file, Thirsty Horse. You can also use the search bar. You can also use another search options. You can play the track just by clicking on the play button. This one is the play button, play audio tracks, just to test before downloading. That means you are making a preview. The third step is downloading the audio file that you just searched. Once you find a track that you just like, simply click on the download button next to it. Download here. The file will automatically be saved as an MP3 file to your device. Just go Thirsty Horse and click save. The file will be saved as MP3 file. However, some audio tracks will require you attribution. If the files that you just downloaded require you attribution, that means you will see Creative Commons logo. If you get such a message on your audio files, you are expected to make sure that to credit the artist in your video description. Just do that in your video description before uploading your file. The next step that we are going to see is adding music to your video editor. To do so, open your video editing software, video editor to my channel. You can also use Adobe Premiere Pro, iMovie, or CapCut, or any other software that best suited for your editing. Then import that audio file you just downloaded, add file, and search for the file that you just downloaded from your audio library. And then you are expected to drag and drop the file into your audio timeline. Drag and drop. These are the previous files that I just drag to the timeline. We are expected to drag this file. Yes, really. I just dragged the file. Yes, my friends. Then you are also expected to adjust the volume level and synchronize with your video. To do so, just go to the audio file and adjust the volume. You can adjust the volume that best suits to your preference. Step 5 is avoiding copyright issues to your videos. Avoiding copyright issues. Even though you downloaded the file from YouTube audio library is free from copyright issues, please don't forget to always check if attribution is required. So never use a music from other websites claiming to offer you copyright-free music unless you verify it. So my friends, avoid using some overused tracks in all your videos. This is just to avoid and maintain uniqueness to your videos. If you got a copyright claims by any mistake from YouTube, then you do have full permission to dispute it to the YouTube studio with a proof that you used the track from YouTube library, from their library. And that's it, my friends. I strongly believe that you know how to download and use free audio files from your YouTube audio library without any copyright issues. If you find this tutorial very helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Elegant World and give thumbs up to this video and drop a comment below my video. So my friends, please don't forget to let me know in the comments if you do have any question. See you in the next video. Thank you, my friends.